What's going on, YouTube? I'm ready to kiss back here, bring you guys the E90 328 XI. Let me wipe the camera. Here she is. Those are the halo lights. Those are OEM. I'm soon gonna change those to the bright LED ones, but man, does it still look really nice even today. So as you can see, let me unlock the door. I have lights underneath the door handles. They provide surround lighting for when you hop in the vehicle. And as you can see, you're greeted with a beige cream interior with wood. I am going to turn down the fan a little bit. But this is going to be my first night drive in the vehicle. I do not believe I have yet to have a night drive in this vehicle. So let me look something up. Coming back from the gym, kind of crazy. I mean, just things that can happen in life. But anyways, I just want to say I'm sending you guys positivity and thank you for tuning in. So I'm kind of in like a rural area, and this car shines in these back roads, man. It just hugs the road and so smooth and planted, man. It is incredible. Only in a BMW will you get this kind of feeling. I don't feel like I get this in a Mercedes at all. Mercedes is definitely more like a comfortable luxury feel. This is more like sporty. Still very safe though. I mean, when I turn the steering wheel, the lights turn with it, which I find super interesting, and I love that little system they have. And I have the upgraded xenon from the factory OEM, so they provide ample lighting during the nighttime, so you can see distance. But like I said, guys, I had a great dinner, had a great day today overall. Got to talk about, you know, just like some stuff that's gonna move me forward, and I'm grateful for that. Every day I'm looking to improve my YouTube channel and, you know, just my life in general. So join me on my journey, and hopefully I can provide you guys some inspiration as you guys provide me with inspiration to keep going. Shout out to all my subscribers and people commenting down below. Love all of you guys. Ooh, let me slow down right here. But this car, you don't even feel like you're going that fast sometimes, but you're actually going pretty fast. So not gonna say I went over the speed limit, because I didn't. I'm a law-abiding citizen. But I will say that you theoretically could. And this is kind of like a, you know, just like you know, like review of having it over since the January 20th. So I've pretty much loved every single second of this car. I changed the oil. Car performance improved drastically with that oil change. I'm not sure. I'm really not too sure about the maintenance behind this car, but it is, knock on real wood, very sturdy. I'm pretty sure this was assembled in Munich. This was an imported vehicle, just because of the options it had. It came with the OEM xenon headlights, sport package. I have the paddles, and I also have the cold winter package and the premium package. So the sound system's upgraded, got memory seats. Really decked out 3 Series that I bought for just a fraction of the MSRP. Super grateful for it, and I've loved every single second of owning this car. So that's my little take on it, guys. I hope, like I said, I hope you guys are doing well. It's kind of a chill night right now. I believe it's 9:45. I have the clock 5 minutes ahead, so it's 9:45 p.m. and I'm just kind of recording and, you know, having a good time. So super grateful to show you guys this amazing car. And, you know, check out my other videos. I do have some videos of a Mercedes-Benz E350 and a 2005 C240. I also have footage of a Toyota Prius. If you like my commentary style or just how I talk and stuff, go check those out, because it's basically the same thing I'm doing right now. It's talking to the camera. But I actually really enjoy, you know, just making these videos. It's fun. I get to talk about my life and stuff, and you know, it's just a fun thing to do. But yeah, the traffic, I guess we're just waiting on this light, but this road is under construction, the one I'm about to go on. Or about to go on. But yeah, like, I'm super grateful to be able to drive this car, like I said, and it's been an incredible experience so far. And I cannot wait for the trips in the summer. I plan on taking this to the beach and vlogging it and just having a great time, living life. This guy's got his high beams on behind me or something. But this car just picks up speed effortlessly. Really love this 3-liter inline-6 engine. And I just love the 3 Series platform, like just the way the weight is distributed between the front and the rear. It feels really good, really, like, you know, equal. And I feel like that's like really important for a sports car, because this is a sports car. Like, I can drop a couple gears and just get going whenever. Basically, it's like on demand. It's like the TV show, like on demand service. I'm not gonna do it because I'm in a work zone, but maybe on the highway, if the video lasts long enough. I'm gonna cut it probably around 10 minutes, but like I said, guys, I'm so grateful for everyone's support watching these videos. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already. I'll be posting content of my E90 and, you know, possibly some other cars and vlogs, possibly some gaming too. Just kind of like a mix of things I like to do. But I'm definitely passionate about cars, and I'm super grateful to be driving a German one. BMW has definitely won my heart over with this car, and I am glad to. I gotta get some gas, but it's the one thing about this car that I miss from the Prius is, in the Prius I'd get 50 miles per gallon, and this car you do not get 50 miles per gallon, unfortunately. But you do get a lot of smiles per gallon. I will say that. I've been pretty happy with driving this car, man. And I can proudly say that. This car makes me super happy and confident too, man. I mean, this thing makes me feel like a man driving this shit. But yeah, guys, I'm just so happy. And I just want to spread my happiness to you guys. But let me do one more pull and then I'm gonna end this video. Alright. Hope you like that. I did not break the speed limit. It's just that this is only like a 200 horsepower car, but I mean, don't get me wrong, you can go pretty fast in it, but it's not like supercar fast where you like floor it and you're already going like 150, 140, like 120, you know what I mean? Like, I did kind of floor it there, and I only went like up to 50, like below 60, just because I'm in a work zone. But you know, you got to hear the engine rev and stuff like that. So like I said, guys, I'm super happy about this car, and just be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Catch you guys soon. Here's a view of where I'm at. Love you guys. Peace.